'99 Chevy van, fully customized, fuller sounds, night vision, bar, got the bottles, rocking the crystal, TVs for the people behind you, TVs for the people in front of you, TVs for the people on the side of you, bottles, bumps, cooler, suede. Got the beautiful FlipFop, dubbed out, always dubbed out. Fully custom interior, again, fully custom interior, wood floors, fireplace, TVs, another TV, oh, and speakers. I don't even know how many speakers are in here. There's too many speakers. We got it all in this thing. This guy done it up. Dub edition. Custom. Get the interior look. Be nice to do your thing in here, you know, you and your boys, you and a couple girls. I mean, however you want to kick it, you know. Ain't no TVs more than this. Oh, see, we got the night vision, guy getting into the car and shit, people behind us doing some dirty shit. It's the hood over here. Oh, big foof, big foof. Navy, AV system going, watch TV, kick it with the fireplace.
Fireplace outside.
Light it up. High top riser. Again, this is the night vision scene.